Explorers have made an amazing discovery deep in the jungles of Africa. A mountain in the shape of Godzilla. Scientists and biologists do not know if this is an ordinary mountain or if this is a petrified fossil. Scientists and biologists have never seen any mountain with this type of shape, massive in size with perfect detail that resembles a giant creature. Could this be a real Godzilla?
Mountain in the shape of Godzilla was found. Scientists and biologists don't know if this is really an ordinary mountain or if it was a petrified being. Shapes similar to your broth and even your body impress everyone. Huge mountain in the shape of the dreaded Leviathan has been found in several parts of the world.
Hoist the colors high, heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Kunlun mountain range in China is one of the 10 forbidden zones. I don't know if this is AI or not, it's alleged, whatever, but watch this video and then we're going to talk about it. I mean, look at the detail in that, dude. Like, look real close. That's crazy. There is such a place. Seems forbidden to the world. Check it out. It's prohibited Kunlun Mountain's door of hell. Let's take a look. We've not yet decrypted the mystery, okay? The snow-capped glaciers of the mountains, the dangerous magic of Kunlun Mountain, and the majestic appearance of the mountain are enough to make a visitor eager to talk about it. It is said that the shepherds living in the mountains would rather starve their cattle and sheep to death in the Gobi Desert because there is no fat grass to eat than dare enter the ancient and silent valley of the Kunlun Mountains. They have luscious pastures, keep in mind. This valley is Death Valley, known as the Gate to Hell. It's covered with wolf furs, bear bones, hunters' steel guns, and lonely graves on barren hills, giving it an eerie and scary atmosphere. Bit of their architecture. But yeah, what do y'all think about that video, man? I mean, I know that the AI thing's really big now, but y'all think it's real?
What if I told you that I know exactly what the Grand Canyon is? Would you believe me? And I know exactly why it looks like petrified flesh and has all the signs of petrified living tissue. And then I showed you what the veins of a bat's wing looks like and what the Grand Canyon looks like. And then I remind you, or tell you for the very first time, if you haven't seen my dragon video, what I found right near that area. Look at this outlined in red wing, torso, and head, even down to its molars and jagged teeth. There's a dragon there, and the Grand Canyon is that dragon's petrified veins. Try to tell me I'm wrong. Try. Now, to the uninitiated to my dragon post, go check it out. But quick recap, here is the whole dragon in red. I outlined it in blue. What I found later is the wing actually comes up and around. The head, here's the head. They even call the mouth the Black Dragon Reservoir and Black Dragon Trailhead or Canyon. There is a dragon there, and the entire Grand Canyon is its petrified vein. And just so you can see the comparisons again. And yeah, the Grand Canyon, you can't explore all of it, just like you can't explore Antarctica, because there's all sorts of hidden things there that they don't want you to know about, cultures that existed there that they don't want you to know existed there. But the bigger secret, the biggest secret of the Grand Canyon is what it actually is. And you try to tell me that's not the head of a giant dragon, and that you're not looking at its neck, and that this entire thing here is in its wing and its veins. Try to tell me. Try. Oh, and of course, I'm just joking. This is all for entertainment purposes. Just like to make you guys laugh.
And last but not least, Mount Sinai and the Fallen Angels is the last videos. Shalom. And one more thing, Noah's Ark is going to be shown also. Now shalom.
Stunning Dragon Head Mountain, South Sinai, Egypt.
Fossilized giants are captured by drone images in several mountains around the world. Huge rocks the height of buildings and in difficult to access places. Researchers are not sure how they are made or whether they are actually fossilized beings. Which beings would have done this without technology? Would be just mountains shaped like giants? Or something not described in history books? Fossilized giants are captured by drone images in several mountains around the world. Huge rocks the height of buildings and in difficult to access places. Researchers are not sure how they are made or whether they are actually fossilized beings. Which beings would have done this without technology? Would be just mountains shaped like giants? Or something not described in history books?
Yeah, this was not impromptu, but this is what answer back. The Most High answering brothers back and answering brothers' questions from the Bible. what happened during the flood, why the flood had to happen. It had to kill off the dragons and the fallen angels. All right, and with that, the Noah's Ark. Shalom.
Alleged Noah's Ark found in a vast desert.
Yo, all hands, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Now some have died and some are alive, and others sail on the sea with their keys to the cage and the devil to pay. We lay to feed.
Alleged Noah's Ark found in a vast desert.
Yo, all hands, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Now some have died and some are alive, and others sail on the sea with their keys to the cage and the devil to pay. We lay to feed.
Thank you.